Magsaya, dinalaw tayo ng Panginoon. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magninilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip, nang maunawaan at maisabuhay namin ang iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. John chapter 1, verses 1 to 18, and I read it for you. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was in the beginning with God. All things came into being through Him, and without Him, not one thing came into being. What has come into being in Him was life, and the life was the light of all people. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness did not overcome it. There was a man sent from God whose name was John. He came as a witness to testify to the light, so that all might believe through him. He himself was not the light, but he came to testify to the light. The true light, which enlightens everyone, was coming into the world. He was in the world, and the world came into being through him. Yet the world did not know him. He came to what was his own, and his own people did not accept him. But to all who received him, who believed in his name, he gave power to become children of God, who were born not of blood, or of the will of the flesh, or of the will of man, but of God. And the Word became flesh, and lived among us. And we have seen His glory, the glory as of a Father's only Son, full of grace and truth. John testified to Him and cried out, "This was He of whom I said, He who comes after me ranks ahead of me, because He was before me." From His fullness we have all received, grace upon grace. The law indeed was given through Moses. Grace and truth came through Jesus Christ. No one has ever seen God. It is God, the only Son, who is close to the Father's heart, who has made Him known. Tayo ay dinalaw ng Panginoon. At ito po ang magbibigay sa atin ng isang tunay na kagalakan, tunay na kasiyahan sa ating buhay at sa ating puso. Ngayon ang araw ng Pasko. Sa ating pong binasang ebanghelyo sa araw na ito, napakinggan po natin kung papaanong ang salita ng Diyos ay nagkatawang tao at nakipamayan sa atin. Dinalaw tayo ng Panginoon. He dwelt among us. Tayo ay Kanyang pinuntahan, minahal, sinagip, kinaawaan, pinaglingkuran. Ipinakita ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo sa Kanyang buhay na tayo ay may isang Amang nasa langit na mapagmahal at punong-puno ng awa sa atin. Ngayong araw ng Pasko, tayo pong lahat ay inaanyayahan na makipamayan din sa bawat puso ng ating kapwa. Tayo ay maging mabuti, tayo ay maging tapat, tayo ay gumawa ng tama. Huwag sana tayong manira ng iba. Bagkus, katulad ng Panginoong isinilang sa sabsaban, tayo pong lahat ay maging sanhi ng pagkakaisa, pagmamahalan at awa. Nang sa ganon, masalamin natin ang kagandahang loob ng Panginoon na nakipamayan sa atin, sa ating buhay. Manalangin tayo. Diyos Amang mapagmahal, maraming salamat po sa pagkakaloob ninyo sa inyong kaisa-isang anak. Noong unang Pasko, siya ay nagkatawang tao at nakipamayan sa amin. Hinihintay namin ng buong pag-asa at galak ang kanyang muling pagdating sa aming piling. Sa ngalan ni Kristo ang aming Panginoon. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video ito. Mag-comment po kayo and share it with your family and friends. Ang Panalangin Bago Matulog ay may sariling Facebook page na po. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-follow dito, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I-click niyo lamang po ang link na nasa description ng video ito O kaya naman po, just search Father Fiel Pareha. Merry Christmas po and God bless you po.